Now guys, you do not have to pay for any courses because you can learn a skill like copywriting completely free using Chat GPT. How? Keep watching this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. My name is Bhavesh, and in this video guys, I am going to show you how you can learn a skill like copywriting, which is the high paying skill and a skill that every business owner look for, that too with the help of Chat GPT. How? The complete process and the complete tutorial of how to learn that in this video. It will be a very quick one. So let's start this video. So let's start this video and let's see how we can learn a skill like copywriting completely using Chat GPT. So a very first step, come back to Chat GPT, and the very first step that is going to be write avatar. Let's say as I want to learn copywriting from Chat GPT. So first of all, I will say to Chat GPT that act as a copywriting coach for me. Okay, once you type that, just hit and it will just process. And now the complete chat right now is set as a copywriting coach. So now whatever prompt that I will give it to chat GPT next will be given by considering as a copywriting coach. So let's move ahead. Now guys, after using this avatar, we have got the results, plus we have set ChatGPT as my copywriting coach. Now next prompt that I need to enter is going to be about this, that I want to learn copywriting. So give me a outline to start with. So this is the simple prompt that we will be using. And there we go. Now guys, you can see Chat GPT has started giving us the entire syllabus, or we can say the topic by topic. And also crazy thing, it's also started giving us suggestion and the copy syllabus for different types of copy. Like in the copywriting, there is like a proofreading different part. There's the email marketing part. There's the SEO copywriting. Different parts are also covered in this index or the syllabus. So there we go guys, we have introduction, which is the basic, and the next, the most important part, which is knowing your audience. All of these things are mentioned. Okay, so now guys, we have the complete entire syllabus of copywriting to learn it, the basic of copywriting. Now the next question is how to learn all of these things in brief or in detail. So here is the next prompt that we'll be using to get the basic done. So next, the prompt I will be writing is, please explain the part 1 in brief with examples. Simple prompt guys. Now see the magic. Chat GPT will start with the first topic, which is going to be about introduction to copywriting, where it will cover the basic and all of the example, so that it will be helpful for you to relate with practical stuff, whatever you are learning in the theory part. So persuasive language, all of the things Chat GPT is giving you. So yeah guys, we got the entire lesson, plus the Chat GPT is also explaining us step by step with practical example, and everything is here. Now next, if you want to know and learn the second part of it, which is going to be about knowing your audience, this is our second topic from the entire syllabus. So I will just come over here, copy the same prompt, and in the part I will just replace part 1 as 2, and there we go, rest will be same and done. There we go. You can see it started explaining the second part. Now after entering this prompt, we have our second part as well, and that's how we go with the rest of the parts. So yeah guys, this is the way you can use to at least learn and master the basics of copywriting, because I've been into copywriting and I know the value of basics and also the power of copywriting, which is helping me today to make so much of money, and plus access to so much connections, networks, and so many things. It has so many benefits learning a high income skill like copywriting. So hope you like this video. This was a very quick one, and yeah, hope you like this video. So just subscribe the button so you see more such content on this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.